Imagine a world where you can just describe your dream app in plain English and AI magically spits out the code. That's the revolutionary idea behind Colin's Word of the Year for 2025, and it's shaking up how we think about technology. Buckle up because vibe coding has just clinched the top spot as Colin's Dictionary's Word of the Year for 2025, edging out fierce competitors like clanker, glaze, and aura farming. If you're scratching your head wondering what this means, don't worry. Let's break it down step by step in a way that's easy to grasp, even if you're new to the tech scene. At its heart, vibe coding is this fresh approach to building software. Instead of sweating over every single line of code yourself, which can feel like solving a puzzle blindfolded, you simply tell an AI tool what you want in everyday language. The AI then handles the heavy lifting, generating the actual code for you. Think of it like giving directions to a super smart assistant who not only understands, but also executes perfectly. For example, you might say, create a website that tracks my fitness goals with colorful charts, and boom, the AI produces the working code. This shift is powered by advanced AI models, similar to how ChatGPT turned your casual prompts into essays or stories. The phrase itself was invented back in February by Andrej Karpathy, a big name in AI circles. He's the guy who used to lead AI efforts at Tesla and helped kickstart things at OpenAI as a founding engineer. In essence, Karpathy highlighted how we're moving from meticulous, hands-on coding to a more intuitive, descriptive style where the focus is on the vibe or overall vision rather than the nitty-gritty details. So, how does Collins decide on these words? Their team of lexicographers, basically word experts, keeps a close eye on the Collins corpus, this massive 24 billion word treasure trove pulled from all sorts of places like books, news articles, and especially social media buzz. It's like a real-time snapshot of how language is evolving in our digital world, helping them spotlight terms that are popping up everywhere and shaping conversations. But here's where it gets controversial. While vibe coding promises to democratize programming, making it accessible to non-experts, some traditional coders worry it could dilute skills or lead to buggy code if we're not careful. Is this the future of tech innovation, or a shortcut that's too good to be true? Vibe coding wasn't without stiff competition. It narrowly beat out clanker, a snarky slang term thrown around on social media to mock computers, robots, or AI systems, especially those frustrating chatbots that give wonky answers. It's born out of growing irritation and skepticism toward AI, painting these tools as clunky relics rather than seamless helpers. Then there's glaze, which means showering someone with over-the-top compliments that feel fake or unearned, like buttering up a boss just to score points. And this is the part most people miss. Among the other buzzworthy entries were aura farming, where folks strategically build a cool, magnetic personal brand online to boost their image. Think influencers curating their vibe on Instagram for maximum appeal. There's also broligarchy, a cheeky jab at the tech bro elite running the world's giant tech firms, evoking images of Silicon Valley moguls wielding immense power in a bro-ish, informal way. Diving deeper into the runners-up, here are a few more terms that almost made the cut, each reflecting quirky slices of modern life. Biohacking, often called DIY biology. This is all about tweaking your body's natural functions to supercharge health and maybe even add years to your life. Picture enthusiasts experimenting with diets, wearables, or supplements to optimize sleep, energy, or recovery. But remember, it's wise to consult pros before going full mad scientist. Micro-retirement, a favorite among younger generations like Gen Z and millennials. This describes short career breaks sandwiched between jobs. It's not quitting forever. It's a mini sabbatical to chase passions, travel, or recharge, like taking 3 months off to learn guitar or hike the world, then jumping back into work refreshed. Culcation. As global warming cranks up the heat, more people are booking trips to chilly spots for relief. It's a getaway to cooler climates, escaping the sweltering summers back home or in their usual vacation haunts. Think Iceland's glaciers over a beach in scorching Spain. Task masking. Ever pretended to be swamped at work while scrolling memes? This is faking productivity, like shuffling papers or typing nonsense to look busy without actually getting stuff done. Henry, standing for high earner, not rich yet. It spotlights folks pulling in big salaries but still strapped for savings. Maybe due to student loans, city living costs, or lifestyle creep. It's a reminder that income doesn't always equal wealth. Shifting gears, Colin's words of the year often spark that aha moment for some and total confusion for others, mirroring our fast-changing culture. How many of these past winners ring a bell for you? Let's take a friendly stroll back through the last decade. 2015. Binge-watch. Binge-watching means powering through 3 or more episodes of a TV show in a single sitting, fueling the streaming revolution. 2016. Brexit. This captured the UK's dramatic exit from the European Union, a political earthquake that redefined global alliances. 2017. Fake news. Labeled as bogus, sensational stories masquerading as legit journalism. It stuck around as a rallying cry, especially in U.S. politics under figures like Donald Trump. 2018. Single-use. It gained traction amid pushes to ditch disposable plastics that harm the planet and sneak into our food supply, like those infamous straws and bags. 2019. Climate strike. Inspired by teen activist Greta Thunberg, these are organized walkouts from school or work to spotlight the urgency of climate action. 2020. Lockdown. Right in the COVID chaos, it described those tough restrictions on movement, gatherings, and public life to curb the virus spread. 2021. NFT. Short for non-fungible token. This digital certificate proves ownership of unique online items, from art to music. Remember those million-dollar tweet sales? 2022. Permacrysis. Coined for an endless stretch of turmoil, like the Ukraine conflict, skyrocketing living costs, and heated politics, all colliding. 2023. AI. Artificial intelligence dominated after ChatGPT's launch, turning heads worldwide with its chatty, creative prowess. 2024. Brat. Thanks to singer Charlie XCX, it evolved into a bold lifestyle vibe. Unapologetically confident, free-spirited, and a bit indulgent. For more intriguing reads from Sky News, check out Is Net Zero a Thing of the Past? https://news.sky.com/story/is-net-0-dead-13463809. Who is Zohar Mamdani, the socialist eyeing New York City's mayoral seat? https://news.sky.com/story/who-could-become-new-york-city-next-mayor-133888523. And how is the U.S. government shutdown hitting everyday folks? https://news.sky.com/story/government-shutdown-what-impact-is-it-having-on-everyday-americans-1-346-3838. Now, over to you. Does vibe coding truly capture the spirit of 2025's tech boom, or is it overhyped amid rising AI skepticism? What word from your daily life should have one instead? Maybe something reflecting social media's wild side or climate woes. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear if you're team vibe coding or rooting for the underdogs like Clanker to make a comeback.